Welcome. Now let's look at an scenario where we wanted to test something and we got an exception. So exception is also a scenario which we should test. So let's say in our previous test here, if there was no property found, then it would have thrown an exception. Let's go ahead and create an exception class quickly just to demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to create a new package called exception, and I'm going to create an exception class here called business exception. So I'm going to say business exception, and this is going to just extends exception, and I'm going to just keep a message here saying private string message and a getter setter, of course. Or maybe I can say this public simple constructor and then another one with one parameterized. So here I could say string message. So I can say this dot message equal to the message that we got. And let's create a getter function here to read the value of this message. So generate getter. No, I don't need getters and setters. I only need getter. So generate getter. That's it. So this is our exception class. Now let's say from here we would have been throwing an exception. Throw new business exception, and we say in here we will pass the message no property found for editing or for update. So we have to now add signature, right click so that this method also throws exception, press yes. So this has updated this as well. Perfect. So now this is method is throwing an exception. So let's go ahead in the next video and test this negative scenario.